Can you get the answer? For part A, part B? Okay, part A, you want to find probability. For normal distribution, it doesn't matter whether got equal or no, but if they say between, then you don't put equal. But if they say inclusive, you have to put equal. So you go to normal, always CDF, 162, 170, 170, and 8. So this is the answer should be 34 point something. Am I right? Because 62 is 170 minus 8. Yeah, so it's 34.13%. Correct? So you can use your calculator. So between that one is another upper one standard deviation. Okay? So without the table, you still can do because you have your graphic calculator. Yeah, so this is 2 standard deviation away. So do the same thing. Normal CDF. Yeah, 170, 186, 170, and 8. Yeah, you will get the answer as well. Okay, find the probability that a random chosen male student has the height less than. Okay, part B, 1, the height less than this value. So you have to use normal CDF 10 to the power of negative 99. Oh, no, it's wrong. I'm wrong, huh? What should I write here? Lower? Can someone tell me? Yes, negative 10 to the power of 99. Very, very small. 154, 170, and 8. Greater than is the other way around. From a group of 500 male university students, how many will you expect? So that means you count the probability and you time by 500. Are you clear? There is C. For part C, the probability of X between 178, H between 178 and 186 times 500. That is your answer. Okay, estimate the value of K such that 16% of the students are taller than K. So, this is your main probability of H more than K is 0.16. So K is more than 170 or less than 170. When you have greater than, that means this is telling you this is the area to the right of K. So K should be here. The area to the right of K is 0.16. So therefore, K is inverse norm (0.16) mean standard deviation. Okay, this is right. For those who don't have this, the other type of calculator, you have to do inverse norm 1 minus 0.16, 170, and 8. Are you clear? Okay, any issue on question 5? Hello?
No.
No, huh? Okay. So the rest of the question, you can use your calculator and count and get the answer, okay? So same go with 8D. Yeah? 8D, yeah? Okay. Shall we try one of the question in 8D? Okay, we go to page 239, question 10. Okay, everyone, page 239, question 10. All the example you can see, look at it by yourself. Huh? I just randomly pick some question. So my Y is the drop of blood pressure. So Y is normally distributed with a mean of 5.9 and a standard deviation of 1.9. Okay. So find the percentage of people who show a drop of more than 5 units. So probability Y is more than 5 units. 4 units, sorry. 4 units. Okay, so I use binom, binom. You see, we have to be very careful. Normal, CDF, 4. It doesn't matter. You just put 10 to the power 99, 5.9, and 1.9. Okay. What is the answer? Cindy, what is the answer?
I'm still keying.
Still keying in, okay. For 10 to the power 99, 5.9, 1.9. Okay, Cindy, you should be able to give me the answer already. Oh, syntax error. What happened? Oh, I have something there. Okay, what is the answer, Cindy? What is the answer, Cindy?
It show typing error. Let me check again.
Do you use normal CDF?
Yes. Is it 84.1?
Okay, the percentage will be 84.1, correct? So your calculator will show you 0.841344, okay? So it's approximately 84.1%. Okay, still remember in binomial, one binomial can be go into another binomial. So can you please read part B? This is from a normal, you go to a binomial. So they say 8 people taking the course of tablets are selected at random. So that means find the probability that at least 6 of them will show a drop in blood pressure more than 4 units. So now we are having another variable. X is the number of people show drop in blood pressure of more than 4 units out of 8 people. So this will be your fixed number of trial. So X, be very careful. X is a binomial distribution. So what is the number of trial? Uma? Uma?
Yes.
What is the number of trial? Uma? 8. Yes. Okay, good. So this is your N. Okay. What is the probability that a person will have a drop of blood pressure more than 4 units? Justin,
Yes.
may I know what is the probability of success for this binomial distribution? You are dreaming. Justin,
I'm not sure.
how can it be not sure? You look at here. Where can you get this answer? Justin, where can you get this answer? It's right in front of you. Justin, try.
4.
Okay, why you say 4? 4 is the drop. When I say probability of success, it must be something to do with probability. Probability, the value for probability to happen, it cannot be more than 1. This represents probability. Yes, Justin, try again. Not only you don't know, I believe a lot of people in this class. Cindy?
Is it
Okay.
0.16?
Okay, how you get 0.16?
1 minus 0.8413.
Why you have to minus? You tell me.
Because
This is more than 4 units. What?
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you tell me what is it?
0.841344.
Yeah, you see, you have a look at it, you pay attention in it, you can get the answer. Don't be too quick, say, I don't know. Isn't it? Okay, so you have that done. So now they say, find the probability that at least 6 of them. So if we write mathematically, at least 6 of them, correct? Will show a drop in blood pressure of more than 4 units. Yeah? Okay. So how can I do this? Using my GC. Huh? Wan Xuan. How to do this using your GC?
Is it normal CDF?
Normal CDF? Okay, how to use normal CDF? Tell me.
Second was.
I know. Yes, normal CDF. Can I straight away use normal CDF? Can I straight away do like that?
No.
Normal CDF? How to use normal CDF? No. Hey, young man. I tell you what, this test, if you are don't know what are you talking about, whether it's normal or binomial, you are going to be in trouble. Wan Xuan.
Yeah.
Normal or binomial?
Binomial.
Binomial. Okay. Can I do like that? Can I do like that? Can I do like that? Okay, Wan Xuan, tell me the meaning of this. The meaning of binom CDF 80.841 and 6. If I have physical class with you, I will go and knock everyone head. Wan Xuan, please. You are the lucky one to be called. What is the meaning of this? Hello. That is the meaning of binom CDF, correct? Whatever Mr. written down there, is it correct, Wan Xuan?
Yes.
Yes. So for this one, can I use binom CDF only? Wan Xuan, please answer me. You keep quiet, you waste your time. That's it. Someone have told me the answer. I know you know. But I'm not teaching you alone. If I'm teaching you alone, that is easy for me. I can finish teaching this chapter in just 2 lessons. Wan Xuan,
Yes.
can I use binom CDF like that for this one?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know what is the meaning of greater than?
More than 6.
More than 6, If I say this one got more than 6 or not?
This one, no.
Binom CDF. If I write binom CDF like that, is it more than 6? Wan Xuan, answer Miss Do. There are a lot of people who are so scared that I will call them. That's why Wan Xuan, Miss Do say you are the lucky one. Quick, Wan Xuan, please.
I'm not sure about this.
What do you mean you're not sure? If I want probability of x greater than or equal to 6, what does that mean? Binomial is discrete, correct? So that means I want probability of x equal to 6 plus probability of x equal to 7 plus probability of x equal to 8. Am I right?
Yeah.
Can I add some more?
No.
Why not?
Only find because the experiments is only found 8 people.
Yeah, lah. Thank you. So this cannot, because my number of trial is only 8. Okay. So if I want to use this, I have to use binom
CDF.
PDF 3 times, correct? So I want to make my life easier. I can write it in the total probability is 1. Take away probability of X less than or equal to what? Less than or equal to what? Brandon,
5.
thank you. So you see, I have no choice to make you all pay attention in class. Then I can take the calculator, take away binom. That show you all didn't do the homework. You didn't do your homework. My own homework I will do. 8, 0.841, 5. I'm telling you, I definitely will set this type of question in your SAT 5. Okay. From a normal distribution, I have certain criteria, and this criteria happen in a binomial. That is the success for the binomial. Are you clear? So this type of question definitely will be asked in the exam. Hello? You get me? So the rest, I leave it to you to try. Okay? Can or not? Okay, I will try one more question. Okay, can you have a look at page 238, same exercise? Which one I want to talk about? Hold on. Oh, no, not page 238, 236. 236. I should discuss that one just now first. 236, Okay, 236, page 236, question 9. Okay, while I'm writing, you think of how to do this one, Okay. Okay, the question is saying that the weight of adjacent oranges are normally distributed. They didn't tell you the mean, they didn't tell you the standard deviation, but they say that probability that the weight of the orange is more than 152 grams is equal to 84%. Okay, now so if you look at here, this is the mean, here is 0.5, correct? So here is 0.34. Yeah. So here will be mean minus 1 standard deviation. So you see, this area is 0.84. Am I right? So from here, I can say that mean minus 1 standard deviation is equal to 152. Agree with me? Hello? Yes or no? Now I only got 19 students in the class. May I know what happened to your class? Sha not in, Hui Yin. Rachel Chan not in. Cairo. Where is Cairo? Five not in. But here I got 6. You all, why you all take the vaccine today? Huh? Because you are having exam, so they allow you to take the they allow you to take the vaccine, is it? Okay, never mind. Too bad. They have to watch the video. Okay. So do you understand this part? Can I? So let's go to the next part. And 16% weigh more than 200 grams. I mean, probability of W more than 200 grams is 16% approximately. So that means this is the mean. Here is 34%, correct? So here will be 16%, am I right? So this will be mean plus 1 standard deviation. So from here, we get another equation. Mean plus 1 standard deviation is, they give nicely for you. Later, I will teach you how to do it without this. Okay? That is the later part. That is 200. So you solve these two equations. You add up. 2 times the mean is equal to 352. So you get the mean equal to 176 grams. You get me? You get the mean, then you can get the standard deviation. Are you clear? This one you have to base on this table. Can or not? So if you happen to do this exercise 8C, are you okay? They give you all the very nice value of the probability to happen. So if it's not nice value of probability, then what to do? Okay, so we are going to talk about what to do with this one. Okay, any more question? Okay, I give you 5 minutes to browse through any question in exercise 8C and 8C and 8D. Okay, 5 minutes. You go through first. You just pick any question. You look at exercise SC lah. You try to do it by yourself. SC number 9. Okay, it's time for you to look through, not for you to do that one. Okay, any question? No, Okay, you can go through. Tomorrow we can discuss. Okay, now. Yeah. Students in SACE program, correct? Usually lah, they do better in EAL. So this is EAL, Okay. The result is normally distributed with a mean of 75 and a standard deviation of 9. Okay. Max method, MNR, normally distributed with a mean of 52 and the standard deviation of 12. Okay, the variation from max usually is much bigger. Okay, a student named Ali, his EAL mark is 70. His max method mark is 60. So can you tell me, Ali did better in max or EAL? Ali did better in which subject? Math or EAL? Adriana? That is what happened to your scale score, okay? For your that one. Okay, can you tell me, Adriana? Ali did better in EAL or in math? EAL, because he scored a higher mark. So when you want to talk about the score, did better in which subject, we don't look at the raw score. We look at the scale score. Okay, so now I want to let you know all normal distribution. Look at all normal distribution. Okay, can be changed to Z score. We call this a standard score. So that is what you call standardized score. That is what happened to your what? To your ATAR score. It's a standardized score. I standardize everything. So standardized score, this standardized score, the mean is 1 and the standard deviation is 0. Okay, the mean is 1, and in another word, you also call it the scale score. So how they scale it? Okay, for math, the mean is 52. So equivalent to the Z score. Sorry, Miss Do make a mistake. 0, the mean is 0. The standard deviation is 1 unit. Okay, mean is 0, standard deviation is 1 unit. Yep. Okay, I correct myself. Mean is 0, standard deviation is 1 unit. So that means the scale score for max, if you get 52, that means your scale score will be 0. That's so-called. Okay, that is a normal. Okay, so for EAL, the mean is 75. So you get a 75, your standard score will be 0. Clear? Okay. If Your score for maths is 64. Your scale score, your standard score will be 1. Okay, for maths, if your scale score, look at, is 64 plus 12 will be 76. Then your standard score will be 2. Okay? That is how you scale. If your scale score, if your max score is 40, then your standard score will be -1. So if you got a standard score of negative, I know you are below mean. Get me? Okay. For your EAL, if your score is 75 plus 9, what is it? 84. Am I right? Then your standard score is 1. Okay, if your score is 91, then your standard score will be 2. Am I right? 84 plus 9, 93. Miss Do, how you calculate? Okay, if your standard score, if your English score is 75 minus 9, 56. Then your standard score will be -1. Okay, so let's see. Ali got 70 marks. 70 is around here. So Ali's Z score for EAL will be between 0 and 1. Am I right? Ali scores 60
on the
in...
left.
Oh, sorry. What am I talking about? Yes, you are right. You are right. On the left. This is 75, correct? So 70 is here. Thank you. 70 should be here. Uh-oh. Okay, 70 is here. So Ali's standard score for EAL is between -1 and 0. Correct? But Ali's standard score for math, 60 is here. So Ali's standard score for math is between 0 and 1. So Ali have a which higher standard score? Math. So Ali performed better in maths. So you see, if you have a, if you know how to do standardized score, then you can base on the standard score and judge. So when you look at the performance of someone, you don't look at the raw score only. You look at the whole group. Then only is fair. Am I right? Then only is fair. I cannot just base on the raw score. Oh, if you get above 75, then you get, I give you an A. Depend on the difficulty of the paper. Yep. Hello, class? Do you understand? So is standard score important? Important. So how to convert a score to standard score? Okay, you tell me, how 75 becomes 0? You take you want to get the Z score, you take the original score, take away the mean. Am I right? Am I right? Then how 84 become 1? So you see, 84, I take away the mean, so I get 9. If I divide by 9, isn't it I get 1? So divide by the standard deviation. So this is the formula that you have to remember for converting any score to standard score. Are you clear? So let's see the standard score for Ali in EAL. It's less than the mean, I know, therefore the standard score for Ali in EAL definitely is negative. So I take 70 minus 75 divided by 9. For standard score for Ali for max, I take 60 minus the mean divided by 12. Okay. So can you please calculate?
So shouldn't it be 66 instead of 56?
Huh?
It should be 66 instead of 56.
Which one? Oh, 75
For the
minus,
graph
yeah,
on the left.
75 minus 9, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yes, 75 minus 9. Okay, 66, you are right. 66, yeah, the graph here. Okay, 70 minus 75. I need calculator, okay. So this is negative 0.556. And this one 60 minus 52 divided by 12. So I got 0.667. So Z score for max is greater than Z score for EAL. Therefore, Ali performed better in math than EAL. Are you okay? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, look. Without GC, you count the Z score. You can show the performance correct. But if I with GC, can I also use another way to show that Ali performed better in math than in EAL? What should I do? I can count the probability of how many people perform better than Ali in EAL. Can you please count the probability? Percentage of people perform better than Ali. Okay, then percentage of people in the group perform better than Ali in math. If less people perform better than Ali, that means Ali perform better in that subject. You use normal CDF. And it's understood. And this case is very obvious because it's less than the mean. That one is more than the mean. You can also judge in that way. So there are many ways of judging. Yeah, can find the Z score, can find the probability, can see the value whether more than the mean or less than the mean. Yeah. So what is the answer for this one? Probability, percentage of people who did better than Ali in EAL. What is your answer? Amali? How many percent of people perform better than Ali in EAL? Muhammad, Amali?
Yeah, let me calculate.
Yeah, let you calculate. I thought you were supposed to calculate much earlier. Young people, young people. I told you already, when you learn maths, you must be a player. You cannot be a spectator. Hurry up. You all do like that, exam sure cannot finish one, I tell you. Amali, do you know how to do or not? Can you please tell me?
74, hello, 74.7%.
74?
How many people did better or how many people did worse?
Better. 74 or 71?
I got 71.
Yeah, lor. Is
Then
it 74? 74 or 71?
I got 74.
You got 74 also. All of you got 74. Hello? You put
71.
normal CDF 70, 10 to the power 99, 75, and 9. No.
You just now said for maths.
No. I'm saying for EL. Math is only 25%.
Okay.
Hello. Okay. Can you clarify whether this percentage is right or not?
I got 71%.
Then this one is 25.2%. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that means only 25.2% perform better in maths than Ali, compared to 71% perform better than Ali in EAL. So Ali performed better in maths. See or not? So that is the use of the Z-score. Clear? Hello? So remember how to transfer. So we have the calculator. Okay? So actually Z-score to us is not that important, but it is very important when the question asks you to find mean and standard deviation. When the question wants you to find mean and standard deviation. Okay, still remember just now the question? Okay, can we turn to question 9? Hello? So please remember, so standard score give us a quick check. Without calculator also I can check. That's why I, as a maths teacher, when parents come and see me, I say, you don't look at the raw score first. Let's look at the mean and the standard deviation. And I show the parents, I explain to the parent whether your child performed better in this subject or that subject by explaining like that. You have to look. If the mean is 52, your child is above the mean. Isn't it your child performed better in this subject compared to another subject which is below the mean? Don't just look at the raw score. Understand? Okay. So now I'm going to explain just now the question in page 236. Okay, 236 question 9. Okay. So now I'm going to use Z-score to find the mean and the standard deviation. Okay, so I'm going to say that 84% of the crop more than 152. So 152 have to be there. So here is 84%. So my corresponding Z score, I call it Z1. And remember, standard score, you know the mean, you know the standard deviation. Okay? So, can I find Z1? Mean, don't know, standard deviation, don't know. Can I find Z1? Hello? Student, can I find Z1?
No.
Yes, you can find Z1. How to find Z1? Qian, can you teach Miss Do how to find Z1 using your GC? Qian, how to find Z1 using your GC? You only got two choices. You only got two choices. Normal CDF.
I think 1 minus normal CDF.
Why 1 minus normal CDF? Normal CDF is to find the probability, correct? Yes?
Yes, miss.
So now, in this case, is the probability given to you? Is given to you, correct? This is given. So can I use normal CDF?
Yes.
I know the probability already. So you tell me how to use the normal CDF to get Z1? If I talk about normal CDF, that means if I talk about Z greater than 0.2. So this one I will use normal. I want to find the probability, normal CDF. Then I put 0.2, 10 to the power 99, 1, 0, and 1. Then I got the probability. Now in this question, the probability is given.
Use in inverse PDF.
Inverse. Okay, you go to your calculator, got inverse PDF or not? Tell me, got inverse PDF or not?
I meant inverse norm.
Yes, thank you. That's why the moment Miss Do asks you, you straight away go to your calculator. I don't expect you to memorize, okay? You straight away go to your calculator, you will know what command to use. So in order to get my Z1, I have to use inverse norm. So always remember, given probability, you want to given probability. And you want to find the value of the variable given probability to find the value of the variable, you must use inverse norm. Understand? Hello, clear? Normal CDF is to find the probability. Inverse norm is to find the value of the variable based on the probability given. Clear? Hello? Okay. Use your inverse norm and find. Hello? Inverse norm. Okay. Area 0.84. Depend on your version. 0, 1, right. If the other version, 1 minus 0.84, comma 0, comma 1. Okay, what is the answer? Chian, since you are doing it, can you give me the answer?
I got negative 0.99.
Okay, negative 0.99. I agree. 999. How many
994.
994. Okay, we just write down 994. Okay? Can or not? Okay, so I'm going to erase this. Okay, so can you tell me, how am I going to link this? Okay, I mark in red. This one, sorry, this one, and this one. This four tick. Give me a relationship. Still remember? This one, get hold already? Okay. So I'm going to call someone to give me the relationship between the four tick here. Okay, Yime.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, tell me the relationship between the four tick here, the things that I tick. Give me the equation.
The standard score, which is the Z, is also the
Okay,
X
give me
variable minus.
just tell me the value. The formula I written down here already. Okay, tell me.
Z equal to
Don't tell me Z.
a standard
Tell me
score.
the value. Tell me the value of the standard score.
Negative 0.994.
Negative 0.994 equal to
equal to 152.
152 minus, this one read as mu, and
Okay.
this one read as sigma. Okay, so I got one equation. One equation with two unknown, can you solve? Cannot. So I rewrite this 0.994 standard deviation equal to 152 minus mean. So now I got another scenario. That is 16% of the way more than 200 grams. So this is your 16%. This is your X. This is your 200. And this is your corresponding Z score. Okay. Okay, Adriana, tell me how to get Z2. Adriana, tell me how to get Z2. Adriana, can you hear me? When you all cannot answer me, you just keep quiet. Adriana, can you answer me? Huh? Okay, never mind. Shani, can you tell me how to get Z2? Jian give me the answer already. Yeah. How to get Z2? Just tell me. Am I supposed to use normal CDF or inverse norm?
Inverse norm.
Okay, inverse norm. Thank you. Okay, then how should I key in? 0.16, 0, 1, and right. Right? So I get 0.994. Is it? Yeah. So I write another equation that link between the two. So Ashley, can you write down another equation link between this four? I mark in green. This value 0.16. Okay, and this one, the mean and the standard deviation. Can you tell me? Ashley, can I have the equation?
0.994.
Okay, 0.994
0.994
equal
200
200. Thank you.
minus mu over sigma.
Okay, correct. So I have 0.994 sigma equal to 200 minus mu, correct? So now I solve these two problems. Two equations. So what I do, I add. So I have 0 equal to 352 minus 2 times of mean. So therefore, I get the mean equal to 352 divided by 2. So I got 176. See or not? So that is the use of Z-score. Whenever you don't have the mean, or the standard deviation, then you have to find the corresponding Z-score, make use of this equation, and get the answer. Do you get me? Hello? That is the use of standardized score. Hello? Do you know Miss Do finished teaching everything already? Okay. So when you talk about normal distribution, what you need to do? You must know how to use a calculator, normal CDF. You must know how to use inverse norm. You must know how to convert to standard score. Can or not? Hello? Are you okay? Yes, definitely. No. You don't have to draw the graph like what I did here. I do it here to let you understand, to make you understand. If you understand, perfectly, you don't have to draw the graph. But if you don't, you better draw. Visual sometime will make you will be able to visualize it better. Okay. Hello? Yeah. Let's go to exercise 8E. Okay, the rest are quite simple, quite straightforward. You can do it by yourself. Can you go to question 4 in page 243? 243. Okay. Question 4, 243. Cannot? Okay, you give me 1 minute. I need to go to the washroom for a while. Anyone who need to leave for the washroom, go ahead. Okay. Yeah, question 4. For me, when I explain to students, I always like to I will draw 2 lines. One is for the variable x, one is for the standard score. Okay. So this is the mean and this is 0. So this is mean plus 1 standard deviation. This is 1. Mean plus 2 standard deviation, that is 2. Mean minus 1 standard deviation, that is negative 1. All right. Okay. So the answer for A, probability of mean minus 1 standard deviation for x is less than mean plus 2 standard deviation. So this is, when I change to z-score, this is negative 1 and this is 2. All right. Hello? Okay or not okay? Or if you want, you can also apply the formula. Okay. This one, when you apply the formula, it will be mean minus 1 standard deviation minus mean divide by standard deviation, how you get -1. That is your corresponding z-score. Are you okay? So can you please do B? And you want to find the probability, can go ahead and find. You use normal CDF. -1, 2, 0, 1. Because it's a z-score. Okay, for part B, probability of mean minus 0.5 standard deviation, take away mean divided by standard deviation, the z-score, and the other end will be mean minus mean divided by standard deviation. So it will be probability of -0.5, and this is 0. So your A is -0.5, your B is 0. Okay, so for C, I will prefer to do it this way. Mean minus A standard deviation, take away mean, divide by standard deviation is equal to 0. So -A over standard deviation divided by standard deviation equal to 0. So -A equal to 0. So A equal to 0. The other end, I will do it like that. This is my x-score. Follow the formula. B equal to 3. If one look, you can get the answer, you just write down the answer, okay? So this is just to practice, let you practice and use the, yeah. Okay? Can or not? So I move on. Okay. 8F.1. Okay. Question page 245, question 3. Okay. So the question says using a diagram. So I'm using a diagram. So I use a diagram. When I say using a diagram means you use a diagram like that. Always we will mark down the mean. So this area 0.5, this area 0.5. Okay, now they say use a diagram, determine whether A is greater or less than 30. Okay, now Ethan Shu, give your answer and why.
Greater.
A is greater than 30 because
A is because the probability that's below A is more than 0.5.
more. Yes. You see or not? Because the probability of X less than A is more than 0.5. So A must be greater than 30. That is the reason you give. So A must be here. so that because this area is 0.57. So can you find the value for A? Can you find the value for A? Cindy, can you suggest to us how to find the value for A? There are a few students in your class. I call 100 times also, they won't respond to me. I tell you, you will be in trouble. I don't bluff you one. I tell you, you can fail with 0 mark for this coming SAT. You don't believe me, you try. Yishan.
Yes.
Yishan, can you tell me so how to get A?
Use inverse norm.
Yeah, correct. Inverse norm. Okay, what number to put in?
0.57.
0.57, comma,
30.
30, good.
And then 5.
5, right or left?
Left.
Left, you're right. So those with the other one, you don't have to bother already. You just put 0.57, 30, because this is the left already. Yeah. So what is the answer? Yushen?
30.9.
Correct, no? Because we say must be more than 30, correct? 30.9. So you see, it's not that difficult, huh? So then they part C. They say, without using technology, find the probability of X greater than A. The whole area is 1, correct? Take away 0.57. So if I say without using technology, if you don't write this step, no mark will be given. See or not? No mark will be given. So this is 0.43. Right? Then for part 2, am I going too fast? Am I going too fast? I hope not. Okay, for part 2, X greater than 30 and less than 8. So this one, I will write it like that. Can I? Can I? So I can write it like that. And I know that this is 0.57. Less than the mean, that is also the mean is also the median. So this is 0.5. So you have to write like that. That is called without using technology. If you straight away give me this answer, correct, no mark will be awarded. So I can also test your understanding of all this without technology. Do you get me? Hello? So far, so good? Okay, we run one more question. Yeah. Okay, I choose. Okay, 8F.1. Okay, page 246. So question 8, 9, 10, they are almost the same. 8, 9, 10. So we do, you want 8, 9 or 10? You want 8, 9 or 10? 10. You're very clever. Usually 10 is the hardest, you see. Okay, let's try 10. Then we will end the class. Oh, why you want to try 10? Okay. So the walking time, the temperature, T is the temperature. So T is the temperature. Is normally distributed. The mean temperature is 20 degrees. That cannot be happen in Malaysia. Okay. Yep. Given that the lower limit of AB's walking temperature is 11 degrees Celsius, and that she goes for a walk 95% of the time. Find the upper limit. So when I say lower limit, it means like that. 11 degrees Celsius. Upper is a question mark. So, and walk is 95%. So the probability for this one is 0. What? 0. What? Yes? Cindy. Cindy, I want to kick you out of the class already if you don't want to respond to me. You see? He's not in the class. Either he or she, I also don't know. Cindy? Let me give him a call. I'm not calling Cindy, Cindy. Let me give him a call. Oh, I thought he went for vaccination. Hello, are you in my class? I'm Miss Doe. Are you in my class? Your internet connection is very bad. I call you through this one. WhatsApp is so good. Yeah. Huh? Hello? I call you so many times. Why didn't you respond to me? I know. Can it be so bad until I call you so many times you can't hear me? Hello? You are okay. So we are not going to okay. So this is 0.95. Am I right?
121 Chushin Lee, WhatsApp audio.
Yes. Yeah. I know you better do something with your internet. If I also say I have this problem with internet, then how am I going to teach you? Okay. You all want to play truant, anything can happen. Okay, so 0.95. So what we need to do is, still remember, just now I said in between, we can break this into two parts. I will prefer to do it to the left because of my calculator. Okay, so T take away probability of T less than 11 equal to 0.95. Am I right? I hope I'm right. Okay. It sounds quite weird. Okay, so probability of T less than K is equal to 0.95 plus probability of T less than or equal to 11. Okay, so you take out your calculator. This one you use by normal CDF, right? Normal CDF, negative 10 to the power 99, 11, 20, and 5. Then you straight away add up 0.95 plus normal CDF, negative 10 to the power 99, 11, 20, and 5. Okay, so we got 0.98593. So now we want to find K, we have to use inverse norm. Yeah, so 0.98593, comma 20, comma 5. Okay, so you will be able to get your answer 0.98593, then 20, then 5. Okay, the upper limit will be 30.9766. So approximately 31.0 degrees Celsius. Okay, Anat? Okay. So you can try exercise 8F.2, question 9. Okay. So tomorrow I will discuss that. So you just take out your calculator and start to do and start to that one. So your S85 will have 4 questions. 1 question on discrete. Okay, that one I will revise again. Yeah, that one I will revise again. Okay. Hello. So can you please do your work? I know from the way I ask you all, correct? I know you all are not doing, most of you are not doing your work at all. You just attend the maths class without doing the homework. You will be in trouble when exam comes. At least you must pick 1 or 2 questions and do. You get me? So tomorrow 4 o'clock class is replaced already. Okay, 1 class is 15 minutes. So